Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Hi.
I'm waiting for everybody to join.
Hi, Didu. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. So, till everyone joins, I want everybody to just sit in silence, connect to your body, and scan your body from head to toe. See what's going on. Yes. So, after scanning your entire body, if there's anybody who has any discomfort or pain in the body, which is just shown up when you were scanning, unmute, only that person unmute and speak.
I don't
Didu,
have
I
any
have pain.
pain. Okay,
One second.
sorry.
Vandana,
You
speak.
go. Huh. I don't have any pain, but I find it little heavier on my heart chakra.
Okay.
Kind of, it's like burdened with some thoughts, or maybe I don't know what is that.
Hmm.
But mind is absolutely calm.
Hmm.
It's in peace, but not heart.
Hmm. Okay. Connect to your heart center and like as if you're becoming your consciousness is becoming minute and just going inside the heart and in that center. Just see and tell me what you see.
Uh, it's like, charcoal जैसा कुछ दिखता है. Something in black, ashes, with ashes.
Black ashes. Okay, cool. So simply say these black ashes are my soul's temple, like 11 times.
Okay.
And then my need for these black ashes is my soul's temple, 11 times. My resistance to let go these black ashes is my soul's temple. After that, what's happening?
That heaviness is still there, but that ashes and the charcoal thing is not.
That is not there. But the
Heaviness is
heaviness
still
is
there.
still there. So now let's
Yeah.
address the heaviness.
Yeah.
The heaviness on my chest is my soul's temple. Then my need for the heaviness on my chest is my soul's temple.
My need
For this heaviness on my chest.
My need for this heaviness on my chest is my source.
Then my resistance to let go of this heaviness is my soul's temple.
Then,
Hmm.
oh, feeling better.
Better?
Hmm.
Again, scan your entire body. Is there any discomfort in it?
Now the heartbeat is very, I think it's like the palpitation or what you call. It's kind of palpitation.
So heartbeat, the beat has increased, you mean to say.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Heaviness is not there.
Okay. Hmm. If you do, who does this belong to now? Do you get light? Does it get lighter? Hmm. Also, before I forget, today evening, 7 p.m. Neelam will be coming on the evening batch. So if any one of you is free and you want to, meet her and ask questions and listen to another batch of hers, you can join at 7 p.m. also. Yeah, who else was talking? Kanika?
Yes,
I want
Didu.
to say something.
Yes,
हाँ,
Didu.
one second. हाँ, Kanika बोलो.
Didu, I have na pain in my neck. Something ऐसा जैसे अटक गया है कुछ. And that pain is traveling from my stomach to my throat and my throat to my stomach.
अच्छा, like this. In your
हाँ.
food pipe, you mean to say.
Yeah, food pipe, and same thing is happening to my spine also. From my tailbone to my neck का पीछे का ये बाल के पास का, and then वो travel कर रहा है.
Okay. Cool. Hmm. Yeah, Drishti, what were you saying?
So I was saying that every 1 2 months I have these moments. I have this 3 to 4 days when I feel very low. Like I don't know. I just like it's very the anxiety is a lot, and I feel low. That I don't know what is happening to me. I just don't feel like talking to anybody, not listening to anybody. Everything is very scary, and I feel very low. So it's again happening with me since 1 or 2 days. But I have no reason. Like if you tell me that what is happening, what is troubling me, then I will say that there's nothing. But yeah, I do feel very low.
Okay. Every 3 to 4 months, you said.
2 to 3 months, yeah.
Okay. And since 1 or 2 days, you're feeling that.
Yeah, again, it's happening since 1 or 2 days now.
Hmm. Did any incident happen before this?
Yeah, nothing happened.
Any quarrel with anybody, any conversation that was
No,
triggering,
nothing like that.
or any death nearby?
No, nothing like that.
Okay. Okay. How many of you here feel sometimes this feeling low suddenly? Don't know why
Me,
it's happening.
me.
What? Who else?
Even I.
Mm. And who else?
Yes, even I feel, ma'am.
I just had a big, intuition that it's going on everywhere. So yeah, who else?
I was feeling yesterday, but after yesterday's soul temple, I feel very calm today.
Okay. Who else?
Remember, Bandana, when I started attending this session when Smriti had come after that. That day, the morning since I woke up, I was so crazy. I was getting very bad thoughts and I was feeling very low. So after that, that continuous I'm attending these sessions, that stability and inner confidence is there.
Hmm.
And
But what
yesterday
was the
also was the same thing.
yesterday?
yesterday also I was feeling very low since morning. Due, the mess due to relationships and that loneliness I feel at times, and suddenly I start feeling very low and lonely. And then when you had a had given guidance yesterday, I told you that it was really necessary in my space yesterday. After evening, I started loving myself more, pampering myself. I was feeling top of world.
Nice. So you live alone, Sheetal?
No, I have two kids, two boys, 18 and 14-year-old, and my husband.
Okay. So what
Four
is
of us. Yeah.
so what is the loneliness about?
I feel I have no that close circle of friends, whom I can immediately go and approach and have fun and talk. That something is missing. There are relationship issues on my mom's side, on my husband's side. So again, there is totally, that closeness is not there in those relationships. And otherwise also, I'm not that gossip and kitty type of person. So I know that even if I get into something like that, I always feel left out. I cannot throw those pjs and jokes like that.
Even I
So
can't. So
किट्टी तो मैंने ज्वाइन कर ली एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए, बट आई फील दैट आई कैन नेवर बी पार्ट ऑफ दैट थिंग. I अगर रेकी का वर्कशॉप बोलोगे, I have done रेकी mastership, I have done assess bars, I have done radical healing also with my teacher. Uh, so I've learned 2010, 2009 I lost my dad. So at that time I had gone in a very bad phase of depression. I used to get panic attacks, and that is when I was introduced to Reiki. Uh, my teacher is Maya Dwajan. So I
ah,
learned all
Maya.
modalities from
Okay.
her, and
Maya
then
is
I did
amazing.
shaman. Maya, yes, Maya is amazing. So she is my guru. She
So
is the one who pulled me out of all this.
hmm.
Yes.
Huh,
And then I
Maya.
in fact went for shamanism also. So all these modalities I keep enjoying.
Right. So what is the wow, this brings me to something very interesting. So lot of people here are feeling heaviness today. And
But
maybe
Bandana, like
yeah.
they have like how you are Sheetal, and she has a reason. Like she feels that she doesn't have close friends and all that, and that is why she's feeling like that. But if you ask me, I have good friends, I have family, people love me so much and everything, but still I have no reason why I don't. And that part bothers me a lot. कि सब कुछ है, I am very happy and everything is fine. Then why am I feeling so low? Like people can literally make out, like they ask me that kya hua, why are you so low today, or you're always so energetic, you're always so friendly and in the mood, and what happened today? And then when I am this low phase, I always start wondering about my health, that oh shit, agar meko ye ho gaya to wo ho gaya to. And then yesterday I was just going through my mom's phone, so by mistakenly I just came across one thing. So do you know something as auto writing?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I just came across one article in that something about my health was written, that I might have problems with my eyesight or from the early age, or my womb is weak and something like that. So I got very scared that shit, why is something like that written for me? Already I am so scared about my health all the time, and why did I have to come across and read that article? Yeah, khali fokat. I don't even feel like going to Jyotish and all, because I don't like kaise sab wo log bolte, and then I keep on thinking about that.
So there is a reason, right? Clear reason why you're feeling low.
But this happened yesterday, but I am feeling low since like past 2-3 days, and this happens with me every 2-3 months.
I get it. But then this is also one of the reasons.
Yeah, this is also
So
one of the reasons.
so see what happens is knowingly, unknowingly, we all are empaths. We pick up energies of other people. Okay. And when we pick up energies of people, it's very easy to just get so constricted at times and like not feel like doing anything. And it's, oh my God, I'm feeling low. I don't want to do anything. And I want to sleep. And All that is a very, I think, at least for people who are empaths and sensitive, this is like a normal thing. There's nothing big about it. Not even significant anymore for me. Whenever I feel a little low and all that, I'll be हाँ ठीक है, चलो थोड़े time rest करना है, सोना है. For 2 days I'll sleep and I'll be fine. So, it is also, the sensitivity to things around, sensitivity to what's going on, sensitivity about now these thoughts that you're saying, right? That why me, my health might go down, and etc., and that auto writing and all of that. All of that, nothing. It's just indicating that 2 or 3 things. One is like that you get into overthinking, and whenever you get into overthinking, that's when you get a little, low on energy.
Yeah.
Okay, and overthinking doesn't help anybody. See, that's a common thing. If you think too much about anything, it's only going to put you into this, oh God, space. Okay. So overthinking. And second is triggers. Okay. Something in the environment, something that triggers this low feeling in us. And then third is internally something is going on that we are not aware of, which isn't fine. Okay. In the body. I'm talking just the biological thing. So our body is a beautiful communicator to tell us that, okay, something is not going right. Figure out what's going on. And if you start talking to your body and communicating with your body is brilliant. I'll tell you how. So today, suddenly, morning, if 6:30 is my workshop, I woke up at 6:25. I didn't have time to have bath, do nothing. I just washed my face and I came online. Then, okay, I finished all my workshop and this and that and everything, lunch and everything. And then again, I wanted to sleep. Again, I woke up and just say 15 minutes before I woke up, of course, I had bath and I slept. I woke up and I was like, okay, fine. Something is going on. Body, tell me what's going on. And then before I came on this call, I just did 20 times everything is the opposite of what it appears to be. Nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. It's a tool of access consciousness. And then I was like, okay, just show me what's going on. I'm already feeling light because everybody here is feeling heavy. And I was just perceiving that heaviness. I'm like, okay, thank you, body, for the information.
Actually,
So my body is brilliant. It can tell you exactly what's going on in your universe. You just have to be willing to listen to your body. And so that is why I asked how many people are feeling low.
But if
me
internally
too.
My experience
but if
says that when we are too much free also, no, that time also we feel very low, like we overthink everything.
That is
and then
overthinking, yes. Having a
Yeah.
lot of time to think. Yeah.
Yeah.
No
Same here,
activities.
Vandana. Same here. When I'm feeling very low since last 1 week, na?
हाँ,
Though I'm
नीकर,
dragging
तेरे पास
myself
काम नहीं है.
late for work,
Yeah.
but it's very low. Energy is very low. A lot of body ache is there. I don't know what.
But
Cool.
if something internally is going on, how will we know? Because you've practiced so much and everything. How will we come to know if something biologically is going on?
Just like this, you have to start asking questions. Body, what's going on? You have to
Again,
sit with your body. You have to just scan your body. From head to toe, you have to scan your body. What is going on? Where is the source of this heaviness? Is it coming from inside the body or it's coming from outside the body? What is going on? Just asking body what's going on. Body, what is going on? Tell me. I'm here to listen. Become the friend of your body. Become friend with your body. Become friendly with your body and start you know, start, for example, have you done ever this, you know, when we are children, we do this पैरों के पत्थरी पे ऐसे उंगलियां फेरना,
Yeah.
tickling, right?
It's like a therapy.
Yeah, so just do that. Go to your leg and do this, like this, both the legs. Then sometimes just, you know, touch your palms, put your hands across your face, breathe. These are like simple things you can do with your body. You can do anytime. And when you're doing these things, it has to be just with no agenda. Simply like, okay, body, I really care for you and I love you. And I know you're giving me some information. So thank you for this information. What's going on? Let's talk. Like how you will talk to any colleague or friend or your child or your mother that, okay, I see you're not well. What's going on? Do you want to talk about it? Just like that. Like how we can make, you know, like how I'm talking to you guys. Okay, tell me what's going on. So, and the moment we simply even acknowledge, forget even doing soul's temple, simply the acknowledgement that okay, something is not fine, कुछ ठीक नहीं है अंदर, चलो क्या चल रहा है, देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. Okay, what's happening in my eyes, what's happening around my nose, what's happening in my ears, okay, chin, my mouth, okay, my throat is a little dry, fine, what's happening in my shoulders, then going down the palm, hands, you know, and simple movements. If, for example, if something is happening in your upper body, then you're trying to move your body. It's very simple, slow movements, moving your legs. The, you know, पैरों को यूं घुमाना, ऐसे. All that. Very simple things like this. These are all, you know, this you don't have to learn. You just have to move your body. Physical movement of the body is very essential, especially when you're not feeling very fine. If you're feeling low, it is important all the more to get up, have a good shower, you know, put on some nice makeup, wear nice clothes, do all that can be pampering to your body, drink a lot of water, do these small movements, cut, just like that. Okay, fine. Scribbling on, you know, take a drawing copy, scribble. Whatever it is, okay, body, let loose, leave it, let it go. So all of this, when you start doing, suddenly that energy will be different. Suddenly you'll be energetic. And it'll be brilliant. I just love these small activities. And then, yeah, there are people, when they're feeling low, they'll go and have alcohol and they'll make it worse.
But you know, doing these small things, it makes the thing go away. Like then you feel energetic for a while, and then again it strikes you that nahi yaar, pata nahi kya hua, why am I feeling low suddenly without any reason.
No. That is, it doesn't come back unless you want it to come back. What is that feeling low? What do you get when you're feeling low, which you don't get otherwise?
Nothing.
Not possible. There will be something that you will get. Somebody, you know, somebody might come and ask you, okay, what's going on? Or something, some attention,
No,
something.
attention I get otherwise also, but I think the only thing if you're asking me can be that it just keeps my mind busy. Otherwise, I'm so free that I have nothing to do, nothing to think about, nothing to just nothing productive to do.
Exactly. See, that is what Kanika said, right? बहुत सारा time जब होता है तब.
Yeah, that can be a thing.
When you have a lot of time and you have nothing to do, चलो ठीक है, अब बैठ के थोड़ा चिंता कर लेते हैं. क्योंकि बहुत फुर्सत है. Oh yeah. Cool. That brings me to time, utility of time. Okay, we'll do affirmations on that. But before that, I just feel like very strongly reading something from the book of Matriara. I'll just get the book and I'll come.
डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, बाकी लोग म्यूट कर सकते हैं ना? या
Cool. Yeah. So this is one of my very favorite books. It looks like this. Okay. This is Mr. T.T. Rangarajan, and he's also called Mahatriyar. I've
What's
never
the name? What letters?
unposted letter.
Okay.
I love him.
Okay, unposted letter. This book is beautiful. Everybody must buy and keep it in the house. Like everybody. Okay,
Really, it is really very beautiful.
isn't it? Yeah. So this book, anytime when anything is not fine, I just have to pick up this book, connect, and ask, okay, what is the message for me today? Now there are a couple of more books like this which I have, but one of them is this. And today, very intuitively, it just called me that, okay, let's read. And I've done a book read of this whole book before. And that book read was like, oh, wow, it was just awesome. I've gifted this book to a couple of people, you know, whomever are close to me. Hindi, ये किताब हिंदी में भी है, by the way. Unposted letter. Okay. Okay, cool. The number that came to me was page number 44, and then the page that opened was page number 41. So I'm going to read both. Am I audible?
Yes,
Cool.
सिद्धू आराम से एकदम ठीक है.
Yes.
ठीक है. So the page number 41 says, how long will you bang against a wall? You may begin to bleed, but the wall will never open up for you. How long will you curse your luck and wait under a mango tree expecting oranges? You may drop dead, but not a single orange will drop from a mango tree. What is, what is. What is not, is not. Genius is in knowing what to hold on and when to let go. Isn't that brilliant? Isn't that?
Yes, very true.
This is awesome, awesome, literally awesome.
Very nice.
I'm going to read it again, and then we'll read 44 as well, because that was what came for everybody here. So, so how long will you bang against a wall? You may begin to bleed, but the wall will never open up for you. How long will you curse your luck and wait under a mango tree, expecting oranges? You may drop dead, but not a single orange will drop from a mango tree. What is. What is not, is not. Genius is in knowing what to hold on and when to let go. And then this page number 44 has, any attraction needs a distraction. Without brakes, we will break down. Okay. So resting heart rate is the rate at which your heart beats when you wake up in the morning, but when you are still, but when you're still in bed. A low RHR, which is resting heart rate, indicates that the heart is resting sufficiently between two successive contractions and expansions. A high RHR, so Vandana, you were talking about palpitations. See, a high RHR indicates that the heart does not rest enough between two successive contractions and expansions. So lower the RHR, the healthier your heart is. The conclusion is that even the heart we sing praises of for working from womb to tomb, takes enough rest for it to go on and on and on. We have a very unfortunate misconception that holidays are only for the rich and the elite, and only for the children who haven't yet begun to shoulder the responsibilities of life. We still consider going on holidays an expense. Wow. To most people, holidays are nothing more than religious holy days, declared off from the workplace. When the body or mind reaches its threshold, efficiency declines. Get that? This is the line. When the body or the mind reaches its threshold, efficiency declines. As much as we take rest at the end of the day to replenish our energy levels, holidays rejuvenate our mind, intellect, and emotions, and thereby the spirit. If at all we do go on a holiday, we exhaust ourselves with seeing 7 different places in one day.
That's so true.
It is plenty of traveling, sightseeing, visiting places of worship, and endless shopping. Such holidays, instead of serving as a break, actually break you down. What to say of people who do the same even during their honeymoon? Taking family holidays is the best investment one can make to rebuild family ties. Likewise, taking a holiday as an organization greatly strengthens interpersonal relationships. It provides uninterrupted time with each other and hence reduces the accumulated. See, it provides uninterrupted time with each other and hence reduces the accumulated emotional baggage. It breaks the pattern of routine life, which has turned out to be a professional drill for most people. It not only provides recreation, but also recreates your spirits. The solid one, not the liquid. Okay? Leave your mobile phones. Listen, everyone. Leave your mobile phones, laptops, and your tight inner garments behind. Dress comfortably during your holiday and forget modeling. Resolve not to call your office till your holiday is through. For heaven's sake, do not go there and start cooking your own food. Treat your tongue to new cuisines. You will come back feeling on top of the world. You will also realize that the world was not on your top and it went on without you. Everything can go on without you. A holiday to unwind, a holiday to break the pattern of thought and work, a holiday to rejuvenate, a holiday to breathe different air, a holiday to look back and to look ahead, a holiday to dedicate yourself completely to the family, a holiday to be a full-time spouse, a full-time parent, a full-time son, a full-time daughter, and so on. A holiday to free yourself from your labels and designations. Any attraction needs a distraction. Holidays are mandatory. Without breaks, we will break down. Do you know that even God took a day off? For in For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, and on the seventh day he rested and was refreshed. That is Exodus 31:17 in the Bible. For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, and on the seventh day he rested and was refreshed. Distractions are a must for attraction. Every time you shift from activity A to activity B and then return to activity A, the efficiency improves. Monotony in any form must be broken. Change in any form relaxes your mind, and a relaxed mind always thinks better. That's why people always think well in the lap of nature, as nature provides all the creative distractions that are needed to deepen one's attraction. So that's the chapter. What did you get?
वेकेशन पे हॉलीडे पे शॉपिंग नहीं करना है, फैशन शो नहीं करना है और सारे जितने भी जो पॉइंट्स है सबको नहीं जाना है, कुछ छोड़ देना चाहिए अगली बार के लिए.
हाँ, माइंड को रिलैक्स करना है सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी.
Correct.
इसके लिए हॉलीडे पे जाते हैं. What else? What else did you get?
For me, too, the world can't stop without you. The best line.
Correct. That's highlight करके लिख दो उसको एक चार्ट पेपर पे.
क्या बोला कनिका ने?
The world can't stop without me.
Yeah.
I'll read that line again, just for everyone to reiterate that. You will also realize that the world was not on your top and it went on without you. If you think, oh my God, like for example, if I think, oh my God, if I don't do this classes, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Everybody will go on without me. Sabka life ठीक ही रहेगा. And I really don't have that on top of my head. I absolutely take breaks. I do my bit. I go into nature. Just today morning, I was talking to somebody. Somebody's like, no, but you go for so many holidays, but we have to think about money. I said, oh my God, you have an industry. You have to think about money. I only earn as much money is required for paying my rent, for paying for my food, for paying to my maid. And then if I have even this much extra, I go on a holiday. I don't even think about, okay, abhi ye paisa khatam ho jayega. Cool. So the world thinks of holiday as an expense, which so brilliantly is put it. And then holiday? Why to rejuvenate, taking a break from the same monotonous life, from the same thought patterns, and waking up thinking this, to-do list. And it doesn't matter if you're a housewife, you don't have that. Even if you're a housewife, you have that. You have this to-do list. Oh, सुबह नाश्ता बनाना है, फिर ये करना है, स्कूल भेजना है बच्चों को, homework किया कि नहीं किया, ये क्या. And we start assuming that, oh my God, if one day I'm not there, oh, the whole world will crash down. Nothing will happen. Trust me, nothing will happen. The world will just go on without you. So many people we are so close to who we have lost in death. The world goes on, right? Our mind may not go on. Our mind may get stuck. But the world goes on. Life goes on. Life never stops for anybody. Time never stops for anybody. You can just remain stuck in one position, one thought, one behavior, forever. And you may bang your head on the wall sitting under a mango tree and expecting oranges, or vice versa. It's not going to come. What is. What is not.
Those lines are the best. I really वो अंदर घुस गया है. जो चीज है वो है, जो नहीं है वो सही में नहीं है.
हाँ नहीं है, अब उसको या तो हम
Without-
एक्सेप्ट कर ले,
हाँ.
और या फिर दिमाग मतलब दीवार पे सर मारते रहे कि नहीं चाहिए 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 चाहिए.
कोई प्रॉब्लम वो हो ही नहीं सकता पॉसिबली. लाइक अ मैंगो ट्री के नीचे खड़े होके एप्पल मांग रहे.
Exactly. You're not going to get something that is not there. Okay.
One more line was there, that also I liked. I don't remember. उसके इसके बाद वाला, इसके third line, fourth line था something. Very good.
So
I love that. The tightened clothes wala.
loosen your clothes. See the what I'm wearing today. It's so
I
loose.
just love to wear. I just
See,
love to wear.
it's very loose. It's like this. When I'm like, you know, in this phase, I literally do these things. ये तो मुझे याद भी नहीं था. Of course, I've read this book couple of times, but अब शायद ये सब मेरे अंदर घुस चुका है already. I don't have to read the
You
book.
know, when we go on a tour, all three boys, my husband and both these boys, they'll just carry those simple shorts. मैं
Yeah.
चिल्लाऊंगी, एक भी पैंट नहीं डाली है. वो बोलेंगे नहीं भाई, हम इधर से सब झंझटों में से दूर जा रहे हैं.
Exactly.
We don't want to carry any that suffocated stuff. So they'll just have those plain t-shirts and shorts. उसी में ही वो पूरे 11 दिन की टूर करके आएंगे.
Exactly. कितना हल्का. No burden.
एकदम हल्का.
बोझा नहीं उठाना है उनको कोई भी. That's something that we all got to
बोझा
learn.
नहीं उठाना.
Yeah.
As
I mean,
humans, I think we are conditioned to always keep the spotlight on us. Like
Yeah.
as if we are so important and you know, like मेरे बिना पता नहीं ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. And then it's such a, and at first when you realize that तुम्हारे बिना सब हो रहा है और बहुत मजे से हो रहा है, so you are like kind of shocked at for one.
yes.
And but then if you like reconsider it, it's so liberating. मतलब
It
हम
is.
we were just sweating over nonsense things and you know uselessly thinking that we're so important and then people need us around. I tested positive about a month back and I have a 10-year-old daughter and my usual routine is like I'll be fussing over her, तुम्हारी छोटी करो, she has long hair, और ये करो और वो करो. And when I tested positive, you know, I was just watching her from my room. अपने आप she's doing everything. उसकी छोटी भी हो रही है, वो खुद से सीख गई. She's cleaning up her bed, she's doing her thing. And then I was like, oh my god, this was so easy.
Exactly. And now we all want sickness to make us realize that it is so easy.
Yeah, in a way, it's true.
That is what, you know, if you have seen the YouTube of Neelam Nanwani,
Yeah.
when she comes, she said that the feminized essence is rest, receive, relax, be pampered. But we have all become this, oh, go-getter, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do that, everything I have to do. That we are not
Yes.
able to rest and relax. And then sickness, the body becomes sick. So that now you झक मार के you will rest and relax.
Very true.
ठीक है?
पता नहीं किसको प्रूव करना चाहते that we can do everything. We are masters of everything.
Superwoman, सबको Spider-Man
Superwoman, हाँ.
बनना
वो
है.
super वो है ना Spider-Man type superwoman.
So that's the thing. If we realize,
Like after
कि
COVID, I was so happy that my husband, who doesn't know even where salt and sugar is kept in the house, he would go out and get fruits and everything. I was like secretly so happy कि ये 17 days का isolation थोड़ा 20-25 हो जाए. I'm so much at rest.
Would have said मेरे को थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मैं और 2-3 दिन में रेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ.
so yeah, I mean, for a lot of people, I know even before this, like last year also, there were people on my Soul Stipple workshops. You know, so people on my Soul Stipple workshops who were COVID positive and, you know, while that they were attending the workshop, weekly workshop that I was doing. And they were like, oh, every day we'd sit, we do Soul Stipple. She and her son was with her. So she was like, yeah, every day we are doing Soul Stipple, we are playing, we are hitting with pillows to each other, and then गद्दे लगा के कूद रहे हम गद्दों पे. मस्ती. That which you don't do. If you start doing all of that on the normal days and stop living so seriously, life won't, your body won't get sick actually. We don't need so much seriousness in life. Yes, you have to be responsible, you have to do your jobs, you have to do your work, and you have to do your work sincerely also. But there's a difference between being sincere and being serious. Sincerity comes with a commitment that, yeah, these are my tasks and I'm going to do that with due diligence. But seriousness is, oh my God, with that much weight on my head or my shoulders, I have to just keep going on and on and on. There's nobody else who can support me. All of that unnecessary thought patterns which we have, that is not required.
But ma'am, if someone is making us like I am doing everything, then my father-in-law is asking, you have to go and get me this and this from outside, do my bank work and all. I was thinking that how can I do so much of things? I'm doing everything in the house and then I have to go out. I said, okay, Papa, there is lockdown. I am not going to do it. I will take help of my husband.
Yeah, saying no, that is what it is. As simple. Say no. What you
Yeah.
can't do, you can't do. Say that I can't do this.
Okay, and sometimes I feel so pressurized, like I have to do the homework also, and I have to go out and do all this bank and all market work.
But that is
I
what
feel bad.
इतना self importance देने की जरूरत नहीं है खुद को. छोड़ दोगे
Okay.
एक दिन अगर काम तो क्या होने वाला है?
Okay.
अगर एक दिन कोई काम नहीं करोगे तो दुनिया नहीं रुकने वाली. काम फिर भी हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't have to make it about you. It is not about you. Everything
Yeah,
is
it
not
is
about you.
everybody, full family can.
If it's a family, everybody has a role to play, and let them all play their roles. But if you make it
Yes.
about you that I am the showrunner
Woman, yeah, showrunner
of this whole show, then
Yeah.
keep burdening yourself.
No, I am not going to do this. I will be quiet at some time. थोड़ा
It's
पीछे हो जाएगा.
quiet भी रहने की बात नहीं है. It is about
थोड़ा
being
पीछे हट जाओ.
rested and relaxed.
Okay, ma'am.
Relaxed in the mind and body, taking proper rest and not overworking the mind.
Okay, ma'am.
That's the thing.
Thank you.
So yeah, let's start affirming. Now we are already at 3:54. So because it was all about taking a break and then about resting enough, resting well. So I'm going to begin with the unrest. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. The unrest of my mind is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My need to not rest by choice is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks is my soul's temple. My resistance. One second. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks when required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks when required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks whenever required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. My resistance to take breaks when required and relax and rejuvenate my mind and body is my soul's temple. Taking all the responsibility, keeping all responsibility and burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. Keeping all responsibility as a burden on top of my head is my soul's temple. My need to burden, my need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with this overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My need to pressurize myself and others with the overt sense of responsibility is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and overburdening, my resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. My resistance to offload this burden of overthinking and feeling pressurized is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Connecting to my body more often and nourishing and nurturing my body on a regular basis is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time I have more in activities than thinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time that I have more in activities than thinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time that I have more in activities than overthinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time I have more in doing activities than overthinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time I have more in doing activities than overthinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time I have more in activities than overthinking is my soul's temple. Utilizing the time that I have more in activities than in overthinking is my soul's temple. Physical activities, indulging in physical activities is my soul's temple. 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 The rhythm of my body, moving my body in the rhythm it feels like is my soul's temple. Moving my body in the rhythm it feels like is my soul's temple. Moving my body in the rhythm it feels like is my soul's temple. Moving my body parts in the rhythm they feel like is my soul's temple. Moving my body in the rhythm it feels like is my soul's temple. Moving my body in the rhythm it feels like is my soul's temple. Moving my body in the rhythm that it feels like is my soul's temple. Breathing fresh air, taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Taking time out to breathe in fresh air and be in nature is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks at home and work with ease is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks at home and work with ease is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks at home and work with ease is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks of home and work with ease is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks at home and work with ease is my soul's temple. Performing my daily tasks at home and work with total ease is my soul's temple. Yes, that's it.
Anything about feeling low?
This is all about not feeling low. So you just do this. Yeah. So cool. 7 o'clock we have Neelam coming in today. If any of you want to catch up with her and ask questions, you can come online at 7 p.m.
Thank you for
Otherwise,
everything.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Bandana. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you, Didu. Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you.